I fight on an MMA team. When I got denied for another internship, I was telling my teammates about me getting denied, and then he let me know that there was internship opportunities right here in Augusta. I am interning with the research department and a lot of field work, which has been great for me personally. There's lab work to be done, working with the lab technicians. Coming in early in the morning, getting ready for going out into the field and collecting samples. We'll usually be out in the field pretty late into the day, 3:30. As soon as we come back, get some food and moving over to the lab side of things have been great. It's been a great complement to all the field work. Whatever tasks still need to be done for the day. Being introduced to all the different tools that are used. It's so much information, and it's been great getting kind of introduced to fundamental, foundational sampling techniques. Be open-minded. Whatever the research team is doing, be absolutely 100% in it.